9 kilometer you did. 3 more kilometer. What is this? Nutcase deal. Simple. Jujube. Sit flat. If you put hand like this, it's flat.
How do you do? Cause I'm feeling so good.
Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. I'm Imad Seth and today I have a 3 hours endurance ride, and yesterday Sri came up with the plan of doing Kalhatty. So we are going to be driving down in Sangu's car with 4 cycles in it. That's Adarsh, Sri's, Sangu's and my cycle. We're going to park the car in Glenkin. From there we're going to be riding up Kalhatty. For now I'm just going to head towards Sangu's house. I'll catch you guys there.
A few moments later.
I just reached Sangu's place. Sri, Adarsh are changing cassettes to make it into an easier ratio, so it'll be easier to climb up. And then we're going to pack up the cars and then we're leaving down to Kalhatty. Good morning, Adarsh.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sri.
Good morning.
Bro, how important is ratios for climbing, bro, that you're changing cassette now?
Because we are riding easy, that's why I need easiest gear. And today, of course, I'm going to try first time also. Everyone is going to do first time except Imad. And then we are adjusting the ratios according to the rider's strength.
2 hours later.
We guys made it to the bottom. Now we're just setting up the bikes and going to start the climb. We are on the bikes, just going towards the bridge, so we can turn back from there and then going to be climbing up. It's a 12-kilometer climb, only 12 kilometers, but the 1158 meters or something like that. The best timing is 58 minutes, but we're not doing that today. We're going to be doing an endurance pace, which is basically like at zone 2, zone 3, or wherever we need to push, we'll try pushing because we can't climb otherwise. All the best, Adarsh. All ready?
Yes.
All set?
Yes, all set. Full power.
Sri, all set?
Yeah. Everything good.
Sango, all set?
Like a bright light that's shining through me, and it feels like you know what's going on inside my mind. Tell me, do you know, do you know, do you know you're on the highway right into my soul? Tell me, do you feel, do you feel, do you feel how our hearts beat in the same speed? You're on the highway right into my soul. You're on the highway right into my soul. You're on the highway right into my soul. You're on the highway right into my
We are at the middle point. We're done 40 minutes. Endurance pace 180, 190 watts. Nothing more. Easing out and going up. My brothers.
we finished the climb. Average water 180, 1 hour 20 minutes. For the first time Adarsh is climbing and he did really good. So now we're going to go down and check out where Sangu and Sri are. Sreenath is supporting Sangu. Sangu is going to be climbing up. We're going to go down. Good morning, Samara. Good morning. Good morning, Chita uncle. Good morning. Just reached down. Sangu is doing really good.
Only 2 stop till 8.5 kilometer.
Damn good, damn good.
First stop on 7th kilometer. What you're saying? Then what?
Adarsh, how was the climb, bro?
It was very nice.
Easy, no?
10 more seconds, Sangu.
Not much. It's too hard, but I get great support, so I did.
Go, Sangu. Come on.
Good job, Sangu.
Thank you.
Yeah!
Thank you, Sammy.
Moments later.
Sitting in the jeep.
How was it, Sangu?
Because of you guys. Thank you so much. Never thought I'd
2 hours and 10 minutes. Wow.
Thank you.
Incredible.
Thank you.
Extend less than 2 hours.
Because of you guys.
Just done. We just came back to Sangu's house. We're going to have a quick bath, eat something, and then probably head back down to Masmuri, pick up Sangu's car, and that effectively brings the end to today's vlog. I'll put out the data and the Strava link down. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, and please do subscribe, like and share. It means a lot to me. Cheers.